Welcome to the channel. Just to be clear, this is going to be a taste test video. And tonight I'm going to check out the caramel made by the Turkish company Evliya, and it's Bayram. Hopefully I enjoy it. Oh, it's more... Okay, visually it looks kind of like Werther's original. Okay, it's actually rather good. It tastes like a milk caramel, slash milk fudge. So if you are ever in Norway and check out the store IMS in the center, Torget West, check it out. It's a rather good one.